Hello, dear friend, dear students. Welcome back again. Hope all of you are doing good. So now I have come up with the last problem. So that is the preparation of cost sheet and quotation. So after this problem, I am ending up this lesson. So I'll start very soon the next lesson. Okay. So let us see the last problem of estimation and preparation of quotation and cost sheet. Okay. So from the following information of Kanpur Market Limited, prepare a statement of cost sheet showing total profit and selling price per unit for the year 2019 and estimate for 2020. Production and sales 5,000 units. Profit is 25% on sales. So this is the information which he has provided. So raw materials 5 lakhs, then he has given a labor 1 lakh, then he has given a factory overhead 75,000, then office overheads 40,000, selling and distribution overheads is 20,000. So the company decided to produce 6,000 units in the year 2020. It is estimated that the cost of material will increase by 10% and labor cost will increase by 20%, and 50% of the overheads are fixed and other 50% is variable. So the rate of profit will be remain the same. So there will be no changes in the rate of profit. So here you have to understand. One important thing, that whatever the primary data he has given. So with that data we have to prepare a cost sheet. So then the adjustment part, like increase and decrease, by considering that we have to prepare a estimation. Okay, so that is what I'm about to tell. So now let us solve a cost sheet and let us prepare a estimation. Okay, so you have to make a note clearly. So the primary data, by utilizing that primary data we are preparing a cost sheet. So let us open a table. Cost sheet for the year ended 2019. Particulars rupees and cost per unit. What is the number of units produced? 5,000. So take down material consumed, direct material consumed. Under that raw materials 5 lakh rupees, direct labor 1 lakh, and there is no direct expenses, so nil. So 5 lakh divided by 5,100, then 1 lakh divided by 5,000, it is 20 rupees cost per unit. Since direct expenses is nil, so cost per unit also nil. So now total all the above, so that is 5 lakh plus 1 lakh, 6 lakh rupees is the prime cost. 6 lakh divided by 5,000 is 120, that is the cost per unit of prime cost. Add factory overheads. So factory overheads is 50% is fixed and 50% is variable. So that is that was given in the problem, that is factory overheads is 50% fixed and 50% will be variable. That is what he has given. Okay, so that you can see in the adjustment, it is estimated that the cost of material will increase by 10% and labor cost will increase by 20%, and 50% of the overheads are fixed and other 50% is variable. So he has not said directly, indirectly he has given. So factory overheads fixed 75,000 into 50 divided by 100, 37,500 divided by 5,000, that comes to 7.5. The same way variable also 75,000 into 50 divided by 100, 37,500 divided by 5,000. So that also 7.5. So when you total it, factory overheads, you are going to get 75,000 rupees. So 6 lakh prime cost plus factory overhead 75, 6 lakh 75,000 is work cost. 6 lakh 75,000 divided by 5,000 units. So you are going to get 135 per unit work cost. So next, add office and administration overheads. So fixed 50% and variable 50% obviously. So 40,000 into 50 divided by 120,000. same variable 40,000 into 50 divided by 100, so that is 20,000 variable. 20,000 divided by 5,000, yes, 4 rupees. 20,000 divided by 5,000 is 4 rupees. So now work cost 6,75,000 plus office and administration overheads 40,000. Together you are going to get cost of production 7,15,000 rupees. So 7,15,000 divided by 5,000. So you are going to get 143 rupees per unit cost. So that is cost of production. Next, add selling and distribution overheads. So under that, fixed and variable again 20,000 into 50 divided by 100. 10,000 is fixed and variable is 10,000. 10,000 divided by 5,000 is rupees 2 cost per unit. So when you add this, that is cost of production 7,15,000 plus 20,000 is selling and distribution overheads. So cost of sales will be 7,35,000. So 7,35,000 divided by 5,000 is 147 rupees. Clear? So profit is given 25% on sales. So what that means, profit 25% on sales? Obviously you all know, since it is a last problem I am solving. So what is the formula? Yes. So profit equals percentage divided by 100 minus percentage. So that means 25 divided by 100 minus 25. So that comes to 25 divided by 75 rupees. So 7,35,000 into 25 divided by 75. So the profit will be 2,45,000 rupees. So 2,45,000 divided by 5,000. So it comes to 49 rupees cost per unit. So if you do the total, you are going to get a sales value of rupees 9,80,000. Sales value of rupees 9,80,000. So 9,80,000 divided by 5,000, cost per unit is 196 rupees. How much? How much? 196 rupees cost per unit sales. Clear? So this is what, with the given information, we are done with the cost sheet. Okay. So now let us move further on the preparation of quotation for the year ending 2020, that is 2020, for how many units of production? 6,000. Clear? So you should clearly mention quotation for the year ending, that is 2020, for 6,000 units. Open the table, particulars rupees. So take down raw materials. So what is the percentage of increased? 10%. So per unit is 100. 100 into 10 by 100, 10 rupees. So 100 was the previous price plus 10 rupees per unit is increased price. So 110 into 6,000. So 110 into 6,000. So that comes to 6,60,000 rupees. That is raw materials. So next, direct wages 20 into 20 divided by 100. That means 20% increase. So that comes to 4 rupees. So previous price 20 plus increased price 4 rupees. So 24 rupees per unit. So 24 into 6,000. So 1,44,000 rupees. Since there is no direct expenses even in the problem, even in the cost sheet, so in quotation also we don't consider, since there is no direct expenses at all. So it is nil. So when you total it, 6,60,000 plus 1,44,000. So prime cost you are going to get 8,04,000. How much prime cost is? 8,04,000. Clear? So next is add factory overheads. So factory overheads, so fixed 50% and variable 50%. So fixed, what was the factory overheads per unit cost there? 7.5. Okay, 7.5 into how many units were there? 5,000. So 7.5 into 5,000, 37,500, because fixed means it cannot change. Variable 7.5 into 6,000 units which produced this year. So that comes to 45,000. So 37,500 plus 45,000 put together 82,500. So add this 82,500 to prime cost. So that is 8,04,000 plus 82,500. So total is work cost 8,86,500. Okay. So next add office and administration overheads. So under that fixed, that is under that fixed, that is 4 rupees per unit. So that is 5,000 units. So 5,000 units, 20,000 rupees, and variable 4 rupees into 6,000 units. So that comes to 24,000. So 20 plus 24,000. So total 44,000. That is cost of production will be add work cost plus office and administration, that is 8,86,500 plus 44,000. So that comes to cost of production 9,30,500. How much? 9,30,500. So that is cost of production 9,30,500. Next add selling and distribution overheads. So fixed 2 rupees into 5,000 units as the previous 10,000 rupees, and variable 2 rupees into 6,000 units present year production, the estimated production 12,000 rupees. So put together 22,000. So cost of production was 9,30,500 plus selling and distribution overheads 22,000. Add it, you are going to get cost of sales, that is 9,52,500. How much cost of sales? 9,52,500. So profit by applying the same formula, percentage divided by 100 minus percentage. So profit percentage is 25%. So 25 divided by 100 minus 25. So 25 divided by 75 on cost. So what is the cost price? 9,52,500. So profit equals 9,52,500 into 25 divided by 75. So that profit ultimately 3,17,500. So profit is 3,17,500. So sales or quotation prices 12,70,000. How come cost of sales 9,52,500 plus profit 3,17,500. So put together total 12,70,000 is sales or quotation price. Clear? So I am done with the last problem of preparation of cost sheet and estimation. So I have covered majority types of problems, so which can be given to your examination. So just practice, learn, understand. Clear? If you have any doubt, kindly reach me out. I'll clarify your doubt. So very shortly I'll come up with the next unit. So until then, take care. Bye bye. All the very best. So take down all the problems and start solving all the problems. Watch videos again so that you will get a clarity about the problem solving techniques. Okay. So thank you so much. Bye bye.